In this video I'm going to install a new filter. The previous one got clogged very fast and leaves passed through it, tiny leaves, making problem with the second filter. So I'm going to install this one. It's a fine mesh of aluminium, and we will see how it goes. As you can see, the filter is full of leaves, and it was cleaned just yesterday, the day before, so it's not very good. I can't come down here every day. It makes me lose a lot of time during the day. I used the same filter that I will install right now, but it was only 1 meter. But I noticed that the leaves doesn't pass through it, of course, because it's a very small mesh, and plus the leaves slide much easier than on the plastic filter. Unfortunately, the river brings a lot of sand, so sand plus leaves and wood, it clogged the pipe itself, so it's a bit of a problem, and I hope it won't be like this the whole winter, because if it is, it will be a mess to come here every few days to clean it. I should have cut this filter in half, because it would be better if it was open on top, so it's easier to clean. Basically it's 1 meter wide and 50 centimeter would be enough, so I need to cut it in half. Time to go fishing for some leaves. Basically a lot of leaves went down the first filter and it's clogging the second one, so I need to take off the maximum I can. I've noticed that my small dam is leaking a lot of water, so I use whatever I can find around me to block it. It worked very well with this kind of moss. It's time to go down to the generator itself. I will install a new T junction with a valve. I'll add here a new 2-inch valve because every time that there is no water and I need to prime the tube again, I need to disassemble the 2-inch section, and it's a pain because I'm getting leakage because of opening and closing it too much. So now I'll use this valve to prime. I'm using a 80 grit sandpaper to make the adapter hold much better. There is a big leak in the 2-inch section, so I need to fix it. As you can see, it's still leaking, but it's okay for now. I will come back and reassemble it, but for some reason I almost always get a leak at this exact adapter. As you can see, I have plenty of water in the winter. I used maybe like 5% or something like this. So it's the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll keep you updated if there is something new with the filter.